Good morning, Namaskar. Today I am going to present a new topic on repertory, Boning Hussein's Therapeutic Pocket Book, BTPB, edited by Dr. T.F. Allen. Full name of this book is The Principles and Practicability of Boning Hussein's Therapeutic Pocket Book for Homeopathic Physicians to use at the bedside and in the study of the Materia Medica by T.F. Allen. The Principles and Practicability of Boning Hussein's Therapeutic Pocket Book for Homeopathic Physicians to use at the bedside and in the study of the Materia Medica by T.F. Allen. Writers of this book is Clemens Maria Franz Baron von Boning-Husain. Clemens Maria Franz Baron von Boning-Husain, C.F. von Boning-Husain. This book was published in year of 1846. Boning-Husain, the great friend of Hahnemann, is known to the homeopathic field in the following headings. Number 1, father of homeopathic repertories, first to make general repertory, first to evaluate the remedies, first to enunciate the principle of analogy, first to introduce the term concomitants into the homeopathic world, first to develop the concordance of remedies, history. In 1948, an unknown German physician staff who is well acquainted with the English language and literature but who does not care to be known translated Therapeutic Pocket Book from German to English. In 1948, an unknown German physician staff who is well acquainted with the English language and literature but who does not care to be known translated Therapeutic Pocket Book from German to English. French translation was done by Boning-Husain himself. Roth translated from German to French again. Charles J. Hempel, 1847. A. Howard Oggy, 1847. Lorick in UK translated from French to English. C.M. Boger, 1900. T.F. Allen added 220 remedies by dropping 4 remedies and so total remedies 342 and incorporated sides of the body. And in relationship of remedies section, he added 21 remedies, so altogether 42 remedies in 1864. T.F. Allen added 220 remedies by dropping 4 remedies, and so total remedies 342, and incorporated sides of the body. And in a relationship of remedies section, he added 21 remedies, so altogether 42 remedies. 1864. H.A. Robert, few changes with addition of few remedies, that is 18 remedies, and a beautiful introduction given to the therapeutic pocketbook in 1935. Source of this book: a repertory of the Antisoric published in 1832, a repertory of the medicine which are not antisoric in 1835, attempt at showing the relative kinship of homeopathic medicine in 1836, therapeutic manual for homeopathic physician in 1846. Number of remedies. In Boning Hussein's original book it were 126. In Boning Hussein's original book it were 126. Later Allen dropped 4 medicine and added 220 remedies. In relationship of remedies section, 21 new remedies have been added to 121 remedies which is present in original work. So in Allen's edition, total number of remedies in relationship part 142 remedies. Gradation of remedies. In original book, spaced italics, Roman spaced, Roman without space, Roman in parenthesis. That is, spaced italic 5 marks, italics 2 marks, Roman spaced 3, Roman without space 4, and Roman in parenthesis is 1. Roman without space is 2 and Roman in parenthesis is 1. In Allen edition, capital, bold Roman, italics, Roman and Roman in parenthesis. Based on mainly Materia Medica Pura, this book is based on mainly Materia Medica Pura, philosophical background. Number 1, doctrine of grand generalization. What is true for a part is true for a whole. What is true for a part is true for the whole. Boning Hussein at some time could not complete a symptoms, so he learned the symptoms which exist in an given case could be reliably completed by analogy by observing the condition of other part of a case. Although this grand generalization of doctrine of analogy greatly criticized, but still it is useful and really effective in clinical practice. So, philosophical background is doctrine of grand generalization. In those cases where lack of general symptoms, only particular symptoms or local symptoms exist in different part of the body, it utilized by the grand generalization in the form of using location, sensation, modality and concomitant. If complete symptom pertaining to a part is present, then its modalities, can be fitted into any other part. For example, backache, aggravation from motion, amelioration from rest. So headache will also aggravate from motion and amelioration from rest. Doctrine of totality of complete symptom. Totality is considered as grand symptom, that is, these should be complete symptom which ultimately leads to complete totality, location, sensation, modality and concomitant. So we see number 3 point of philosophical background of Bonning-Husain therapeutic pocket book, Doctrine of Modality. Dr. Bonning-Husain give the importance to modalities. In modalities, also he has given importance to aggravation. Doctrine of concomitant. The word concomitant means existing or occurring together. A concomitant symptom occurs with chief complaint but has no pathological relationship except for time modality or time relationship. Number 5 is doctrine of relationship of remedies or concordance. Relationship of remedies or concordance. Dr. Bonning-Husain given the remedy relationship at the end of therapeutic pocket book and is very useful for finding out the remedies relationship of one particular remedy with other remedies. Relationship of each remedies are given in following headings. The relationship of each remedy are given in following headings: mind, location, sensation, gland, bones, skin, sleep and dream, blood circulation and fever, aggravation, time and circumstances, others. A remedy relationship or concordance is given in following heading: mind, location, sensation, glands, bones, skin, sleep and dreams, blood circulation and fever, aggravation, time and circumstances, other remedies. Antidote: injury. This repertory is divided into two parts. Part 1 is further divided into a preface, life sketch of Bonning-Husain, how to use the repertory, the part of physician in taking the case, philosophical background, construction of repertory, limitation of repertory, adaptability, use of analysis. B. Preface to the New American Edition, Bonning-Husain's original preface. Part 2. Bonning-Husain's therapeutic pocket book, starting from mind to modality. Bonning-Husain's therapeutic pocket book, starting from mind to modality. A relationship of remedy, starting from aconite to zincum, index. Construction of repertory. The original work of Bonning-Husain and even till the Hambell's translation, the repertory is divided into 7 parts. This repertory divided into 7 parts: mind and soul, parts of the body and organs, Sensation and complaints. Under heading Sensation and complaints, A. In general, of glands, of bones, of skin, sleep and dream, fever, circulation of blood, cold stage, fever further divided into circulation of blood, cold stage, coldness, heat, perspiration, compound fever, concomitant. Alterations of the state of health, aggravation according to time, aggravation according to situation and circumstances, amelioration by position and circumstances, concordance. Now in Allen edition, the construction in detail is as follows: mind and intellect, parts of the body and organ, head, head internal, head external, eyes, vision, ears, hearing, nose, smell, face, location of sensation, teeth, mouth, throat, hunger and thirst, taste, eructation, nausea and vomiting, abdomen, internal and external, flatulence, stool, urinary organ, urine, micturition, sexual organs, menstruation, leukorrhea, relationship, respiration, cough, air passage, external throat and neck, chest, back, upper extremities, lower extremities. Under sensation, next is sensation, glands, bones, skin, sleep, position in sleep, dream, fever, circulation, aggravation, amelioration, relationship of remedies, limitation of therapeutic pocketbook. Very few remedies are mentioned, that is 126. Lot of misplaced rubric is mentioned. Some medicines are overrepresented. The concomitant heading is very rarely seen in this repertory. Lot of scattered rubric in this repertory. Advantage of therapeutic pocketbook. It is a masterpiece of Boning Hussain, which contains his philosophy. A handy repertory for second prescription. Concordance part is well explained. Sides of the body has been greatly emphasized in this repertory. In this way, we see about the different aspects of Boning Hussein's therapeutic pocketbook, its philosophy, construction, scope, and limitation. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.